Mrs. Adam, thank you very much indeed for joining me. Welcome to the program.
Thank you, Christina. Thank you very much for inviting me.
So let me ask you first and foremost, how on earth did these al-Shabaab people apparently have the intelligence and the ability to repel a SEAL Team 6, a Navy SEALs operation over the weekend?
Well, we believe that these were not just al-Shabaab. This is al-Qaeda. It's a global phenomenon. People from all over the place come there, but fortunately they are in their last leg. They are now diminishing by numbers. The morale is gone. They have, we've taken back so many areas from them, liberated many people whom they abused and tortured. So it's their last days and last legs.
Yes, Foreign Minister, let me just read you something that you said about them on a trip to Canada. You did, in fact, repeat that they are on their last legs, and you did, in fact, say that they have lost members, lost morale, and that we're not worried about them. We are in control of the situation. Now, I'm asking you this and repeating this because are you really? I mean, they have maintained and mounted very, very spectacular raids. Obviously, the Nairobi Mall was a complete disaster. And now they're able to repel the most sophisticated, toughest, most successful U.S. Special Forces. Are you sure that they're on their last legs?
I believe so, and we all believe so. Shabab, stroke Al-Qaeda, has been there for many years, and they were in fact controlling, before we came, the capital city, Mogadishu, and had most of the country. But now they are in a very, very small pockets in the country, including that small port where this incident happened. Al-Qaeda stroke Al-Shabaab are, as I said, in their last legs, because so many of them are giving themselves up. They are fighting themselves, among themselves, killing each other, so they are in actually disarray.
Foreign Minister Adam,
yes.
Sorry to interrupt you. Let me just ask you a question. It is nonetheless a still partly fragmented country. I know there's been a lot of progress. I know the African forces, the U.S. help push them back, as we said. You do have a central government now, and let's say the green shoots of stability and democracy are holding. But these people are still there. They're still after you. Do you feel as a government, as a nation, threatened?
No, we are not. Actually, you could see me and many other young people who joined us from the diaspora starting their lives back in Somalia. Many businesses are starting, so many people investing, ambassadors queuing to give their credentials, and many embassies are being built. Somalia is coming back, and Al-Qaeda, Al-Shabaab are diminishing. This global phenomena is going away from the region as the piracy also finished. So we are very hopeful. We have vision, and Somalia will be safe, and the region will be very safe from Al-Qaeda soon.
How worried are you? Because again, yes, Al-Shabaab, Al-Qaeda franchise was pushed back, but there has since been an explosion of militants and guns and safe havens in places like Libya, for instance. How much does this spreading franchise around North Africa and obviously still in East Africa, you know, how can you cope with it?
We have been in a worse situation, and we see the development and the positive actions taken by the Amazon, thank God, thanks to the African Union and to the troop contributing countries, and Ethiopia, who were supporting us with this Al-Qaeda, Al-Shabaab, stroke Al-Shabaab. And we are all happy that they are actually out, almost out of the country. As I said, they are in a very small pockets. With regard to the Westgate in Kenya, it's a sad story. We are sorry about it. We are not sorry because Somalia is not part. It is Al-Qaeda, Al-Shabaab. It is this phenomena where it's a global enemy where people should come and unite. Thank God America is also supporting and has cooperation with us. Yeah.
you talk about American support and cooperation. As a government, do you accept, do you agree with the U.S. decision to mount that operation? There's obviously been complaints from Libya in the operation the U.S. mounted there. What is your government's reaction on the Navy SEAL operation?
We accepted it. We welcomed it. We are welcoming more if this will help us get rid of Al-Qaeda, Al-Shabaab. We have a cooperation, and they don't have to ask us because we are fighting a common enemy. This is what we feel, and we are grateful to their support. Otherwise, the whole region will be in turmoil.
Foreign Minister, Deputy Prime Minister Adam, thank you so much indeed for joining me.